Welcome back to Western Living. I'm not really sure how my next guest is with lawn care or vehicle maintenance, but I'm pretty sure he knows how to swing a hammer and operate a power saw. So if you're looking for someone to help with your next home interior or exterior remodel project, he's the man to call because joins us this morning from Ivy Lea Construction, owner Mike Washington. Mike, good to see you.
Good to see you. Thanks for having us back.
All right, let's talk about kitchens because over the past 30 years, no room's probably changed the most in how we use them in everyday life than the kitchen. And let's talk about the remodeling. That's a big reason why, right? The use of the space?
Absolutely. It really is. The kitchen's very interesting. It's the most used room in the home. From if you're having a party or people are gathering, everyone always ends up in the kitchen. Obviously food preparation, school, homework, sometimes an office at home. Kitchen is really used a lot by everyone in the house. And it's really one of the most, it's truly an investment. When you go to remodel a kitchen, the kitchen, there's so many different moving parts that you want to really make sure you're doing it right. And it is really a true investment because there's a lot of expense in the kitchen and really marketable. When you do go to sell your home or as you're improving that kitchen, it is bringing the value of your home up tremendously.
There's design, you know, the aesthetics of it, there's function, and then there's space, right?
Yes.
Those three things go into play when you're redoing the kitchen?
Absolutely. The space, obviously, you got to be able to use it. It's got to be able to function for you properly. Obviously, the aesthetics, the look. We have an interior designer that will work with each individual client. What are you looking to do? Is it just countertops and floor? Is it all new cabinets? Is it a full gut all the way down to the studs? Redo all the electric, all the plumbing, moving things around, changing archways, knocking down walls, putting new windows in. Since we're not just a remodeler or someone just puts in cabinets and countertops, we handle all of that, all the inspections, from soup to nuts, everything.
Yeah, it's a big project. If you're going to remodel the kitchen, whether it be you're just tired of it or your family needs have certainly changed, and you guys handle it all. There's no subcontractors involved,
No,
correct?
not at all. We're going to handle the whole thing. We're going to have our master plumbers come in, master electricians come in. Obviously, we're going to take it all the way down to the studs if it's a full renovation and really do it properly, make sure everything is up to code. Like I said, had all the inspections done properly, make sure everything is up so you'll never have to do that again. It's one time and you'll be good for the rest of the time you live there.
I'm sure some folks are, I mean, these pictures look wonderful, by the way, of some of the work done by Ivy Lea Construction. Budget.
Yes.
Your designers work with them on a budget, so that first process is meeting with a designer, right?
Absolutely. We'll come out to the house, we'll do a needs analysis for you and really try to start to work on, our customer service team will really start to work on a budget for you. Okay, what are we going to spend on the materials? What's the work scope? Okay, this is the labor for that scope. And then really go through. The next step, once we do fit your budget, we're going to get you right out to our kitchen design center. Our interior designer is going to take you there and really you'll be able to touch, feel cabinetry, countertops. And then how do we cost engineer sometimes to make it right for your budget, but still get a really good quality job?
All right, well, speaking of the budget, you usually always have some great offers, financing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we have some 0% interest for 24 months right now. Very, very popular right now in the kitchen projects. They're $499 for up to 12 years, 144 months. Gets you a low payment and really gets to stretch that dollar out over time.
All right, those are great options as always, and that comes with whether it be your kitchen or any remodel project with Ivy Lea Construction, the most trusted name in home improvement for exterior and interior needs. And to find out more about everything they offer, including kitchen renovations, head to their website, ivyleaconstruction.com, or give them a call. Set up that appointment, 875-8654, and those great financing options that Mike mentioned on your projects, two of which, again, you see on the screen, that 0% for 24 months or 4.99 for 144 months.